So what inspired me to live in a van was not feeling comfortable being sedentary. I noticed higher levels of anxiety than I would like, and it all came down to kind of feeling this sense of being trapped, and that really went back to the dwelling that I was living in. Hi, I'm Amanda, and this is my amazing van, the Surf Gypsy. I'm here in Alpine, Wyoming, and I've been here for a couple of weeks, and with the help of my very good friend Max Mogren, we've been building out this van. So 2 weeks ago, when I came into Alpine, to river surf actually, I didn't have anything built out in the van that was permanent. It was just a shell, and then I just kind of hung all these baskets on hooks into the metal, and I had a lot of furniture, but I didn't really have like a plan. And so this bookcase I had, and it fits so much of my stuff, it's incredible. So all of my kitchen stuff and like miscellaneous things, and then all of my plates and dishes are here, and they're so pretty that I didn't want to hide them away in any cabinetry. So this works really, really well. And it was something that I already had, and we were able to incorporate it into the build, which was really cool. These cabinets I already had. They were holding up my bed before. So now I actually get to enjoy them because they're so beautiful. I'm so excited about it. And this whole section, we actually didn't measure. It just so happened that everything fit perfectly, and we didn't have to modify anything, which was amazing. So incredible. So this is kind of like my kitchen area. I went with a propane stove, just a little camp stove, because building something in, again, it would have required kind of like cabinetry, and I just love the open feel of everything. So having this is also really flexible because I can cook inside, I can cook outside. We just built a super cool folding table off the back door, so I'll show you that in a little bit, and I can cook out there if I want to. So I started Vanlife about a year ago. I bought the van, and again, it was just a shell, so I basically threw a rug down, put a mattress on the floor, loaded up all my surfboards, and moved out of my apartment. So one of my most favorite things about the van is this shelf. It's homemade, handmade. I got to pick out all the wood that was used in it, and then these pieces of driftwood actually came from the river where I surf here. So they're extremely special. This one has rocks embedded in it, which I've never actually seen before. It's absolutely beautiful. I was blown away when Max had this idea of using it as the shelf bracket. It's like my favorite thing about the van. It's amazingly beautiful, and I love it. It's a work of art in and of itself. But then I also get to display all of my items from my travels, and my favorite things, and my favorite cups. And it's just a super special piece that I love. This is also a piece of driftwood from the same river here, and yeah, it just is absolutely incredible. And then he put these touch lights underneath, so you can just touch them on and off. You can actually dim them if you hold your finger on them, and make them brighter. So pretty awesome little task lighting over my countertop here. This little area here, I love this little shelf cabinet-ish thing. Again, I like the openness and kind of more open storage, because I think everyday things are beautiful, and also it forces me to be more tidy, so that's always a good thing. And then I nailed this cutting board to the top of it, which then just makes this great little extension of counter space. And I have my favorite spoon here, which totally is me. Like, I always seek adventure all the time. I work remotely. So truth be told, I work from bed probably 60% of the time. So I had to have a super comfortable bed and one that I could sit up in. That was important to me, but I also wanted to have as much storage as possible down below because I river surf, and so I need a lot of room for a lot of different boards because every river wave is different, so you need a different board pretty much for every wave. So when I got this van, it was actually a Dave's Killer Bread bread delivery van, and so there was nothing in it. Like, it was just, there were no windows except the back windows obviously, but no windows, and so I needed airflow for sure, and a little bit of light is what I wanted, but I still wanted privacy and I didn't want people to be able to see in or anything like that. So the solution was this little window that's fantastic. It opens and there's a screen inside so I can have nice airflow, especially with the fan. It just draws air in and it's money. It cools things off so quickly in here. And then made this little windowsill shelf for me, which is awesome. I can put little plants up here, more driftwood, of course, because I'm obsessed with it. And then my little hummingbird magnet. My dad passed away a couple of years ago and he loved hummingbirds, so having a little bit of him with me is super special and I love it. So one of my favorite memories of van life is really a lot of memories. Every time I get to drive up to a river wave and know that I'm home, literally and figuratively, it's so incredibly special that I cherish every day as my favorite memory. So raising the bed up and having all this storage underneath is huge. I love it. There's so much space. I can fit all of my surfboards, the shorter ones at least, my river boards down here underneath the bed, and just my bed is slatted, so we just tied the rope right around the slats, and super simple and awesome board storage. I got my balance board just in case I'm not near a river. And then more storage up here, my yoga mats, my little like changing mat, because if you have ever worn a wetsuit, you know it's really annoying to change your wetsuit on the ground because it gets all dirty. So my lovely little mat there. This is a folding table, so if I do want to cook outside or just have a little picnic, I can do that. And then all of my clothes, or most of my clothes, fit in this little guy here. Max made these shelves that cover the wheel well and make it look very pretty. Got my carver board here. Again, if I don't happen to be near a river, then I've got a way to surf. All my shoes here actually fit on this one little rack, which is pretty amazing from how I used to live. I basically could have had an entire closet full of shoes. So this is another one of my favorite aspects of the van. I can't say enough, everything is my favorite, but this is super cool. So I had this giant tray that was gorgeous, and I really didn't know what I was gonna do with it, if I was gonna make a table out of it or something. And Max had the idea to cut it in half and make it kind of like a shelf. But once we got the wood up on the walls in the van, it was so beautiful that I didn't really want to cover it up with another shelf, and I didn't really need another shelf. So his idea was to put it on these folding shelf brackets, and now I have an outdoor cocktail table, and I can also bring my grill from inside and set it up out here and cook outside if I want to. So I absolutely love this idea, and these brackets are awesome. They lock down and they lock up, so it's like it's not going anywhere, whether it's down or up. Thanks so much for checking out my van. Check out Dirtbag Rigs. That's Max Mogren, who did the build out. He's awesome. Bobcat, the shop dog, always present, helping out. My social media, I am surfgypsy13 on Instagram, And I actually have a website, amsurfs.com, so if you want to check out some surf videos and other content. I have a blog, but I don't like that word, so yeah, if you want to check out my innermost thoughts. And if you're out river surfing, let me know. Love to catch some waves with you. Peace.